Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to download and install the Chase UK app on your mobile device. So if you're using an Android device, go over to the Google Play Store, but as I'm using an iPhone, I'm going to hit this blue button, the App Store, in the middle of my screen right here, and then from there go down to the bottom right, the search page, and start typing in Chase UK. And from there, I'll skip past the first advertisement, even if it is the company, and go over to this one right here. The first organic listing, Chase UK. It's this sort of blue ring around a white background. And then there's a button on the right-hand side, the Get button. Press that. And then it's going to ask us to confirm with Face ID by double-clicking the button on the right-hand side of the device. And once Face ID has been confirmed, it will start downloading. And so guys, the Chase UK app has downloaded on this device. From within the App Store, press the open button in the top right there, and that will launch the app. And there we go. We get the option to either join Chase with the big blue button at the bottom or press login. I'll show you what join Chase looks like. It's just essentially if you do not have an account yet, you can go through all of the steps here and create your account. But if you already have an account, go to the login section, give over your username and password, and then you'll be able to use the Chase app. So guys, this has been another video for the My Tech Mastery YouTube channel. If it's been helpful, please like and subscribe. Thank you.